Hi there. Welcome to our week 13 update. We got stuff that's growing, lots of stuff that's growing. The peppers are growing, things are showing up. We'll do a little tour, show you guys how things are doing, and we're gonna build our tomato trellis, so I'll show you that. Little secret, I already did it this morning because I had to do that first because the neighbor was using the leaf blower and is making too much noise to do this intro. But we'll do that, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do this weekend. Might be a short weekend, we'll see. But let's do a little garden tour, see how things are doing. Starting over here in the work area. Let's see, little work area under the porch. It's a little area where I keep all my stuff. But I've been growing these lettuces, these little guys here, and these guys, because partial shade, not too hot. I actually think they probably would prefer full sun. I've got lettuces out in full sun that are doing a lot better. So I think we're gonna move these today. You know what, let's do that right now. Okay, well, I suspect the squirrels are gonna get them, but we'll give them some sun today, see how they do. This guy, these two loofah are doing a little bit better from last week. That leaf never recovered, but the plant recovered. So that's doing nice. Same with this watermelon. Those early leaves didn't work, but the rest of it's still growing nicely here. Our peas have all sprouted. A lot, too. Quite a bit going on in a week. So we're gonna, start moving them over here. Hope they find that trellis. We'll see what happens there. And then these basils, they're all doing pretty well, except for the holy basil. But the rest are doing great. Extra cucumbers, extra loofahs, extra baby bok choy. That's all doing well. This watermelon is very happy. Climbing up here, found this trellis. So it's doing well. The fennel's doing well. New cucumbers are doing well. Not growing a lot yet, but they're in, they're happy. Yep, fennel, that fennel is all saved. Happy about that. And we'll leave that alone. Little baby bok choy, not doing much here. Should probably move this guy over here where you can get more sun. With these guys, I'll put them down here. This guy's been doing well here, so we'll put him next to him. Okay, what else do we got? This little loofah doing well. It's gonna climb up there. I might get a little pole to guide it up to here. Yeah, I think I'll do that today. I'll do that right now. There you go, loofah. Enjoy that pole. Climb on up. Moving over. Two basils are very happy. They're doing great. That's nice. But still, nothing going on with the rest of the overwintered peppers. Very sad. Not a sign. So I failed on that last year. I think I should have watered them a couple more times. But that one's happy. That one was growing over the winter. Which is what I'll do this year. I'll let them grow and then just trim them back. Carrots are growing well. Probably need thinning. I'm gonna have to think about that soon. Maybe next week. I fertilized all these peppers this week, so just a couple days ago. So maybe they'll get better. One more week. This pepper bed is doing great. Very happy peppers, except for that banana pepper. I think we're gonna give up on it. We got some extras. We're gonna swap that out today. Here's these lettuces. Just set them there for now. And this pepper bed is doing great. Peppers intermixed with onions, shallots actually. Growing strong. Everything's going strong here. I'm feeling really good about this. Lovely bed. Lovely bed. Then we got our 3 shishito peppers. They're doing well. Spinach is coming in. I forget what this is. Is this the radishes? FM Bloomsdale. I don't know what that means. Very Morris Bloomsdale. Yeah, I think these are radishes. I'll have to look that up. One sad broccoli, one happy broccoli. This is not broccoli. Yeah, it is. This is broccoli. Broccoli, cauliflower, all doing well. All doing well. Beans are kicking it, killing it. Looking great. Same with the beets. Probably could use some thinning. Very happy with those. Strawberries are being relentlessly attacked by the squirrels. Squirrel repellent is helping. but I have to keep it on there a lot. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. Strawberries and squirrels, man. It's tough. All right, over here. This blueberry bush is pretty much dead. Also, it gets relentlessly attacked by squirrels. I don't know why, there's nothing there. And I think this soil's pH balance was off. So that's rough. That's been attacked a lot. This tomato, Roma tomato's doing great. Haven't even bothered trellising it yet. It's doing lovely. These are potatoes. This particular bucket of potatoes has been attacked by squirrels like 4 times, and I don't know why. There's something about this spot right here the squirrels love. I spray it down a lot and it works, but that's one of their prime spots. That and the strawberries. This stuff they don't really touch over here. So we got that. It's a loofah. It's doing great. This tomato's doing great. That grape they have attacked, and it's not doing anything. That's the last of the grapes that has not come back from dormancy. The rest of them are all back. So 3 out of 4, not bad. Potatoes. Only got 1 potato that's sprouting anything so far. That's this one. Well, that's pretty exciting. I'm keeping a lookout on the other ones. But I got 1, so I know the whole thing is theoretically working. My last sad watermelon plant, I don't know where I'm going to put that. I got some more bags and pots and whatnot, but I don't have any more dirt, so I don't know. We may pot that tomorrow. So small baby bok choy. The 3rd grape to come out of dormancy. It's pretty happy. The 1st grape that came out of dormancy, doing well. Got some green sprouts in these potatoes. Very exciting. Some various backup plants being potted up. Some cucumbers, some bok choy. Those are all going to go in the new grow bags. I'm going to have to get some dirt for that though. This is the old blueberry bush. It has not done anything. These potatoes are not doing anything. And this grape came back and it's very exciting. This is a himrod, which is a variety of grape that does really well here in North Carolina. Okay, let's go up to the patio. Got a watermelon here. It's a Baker Creek baby watermelon. It's doing well. Its partner's not doing so well. It's been attacked a couple times by the squirrels. I don't know what's up with that one. We will see. All these tomatoes are doing well though. 2 Roma and 2 cherries. Looking good, looking very good. And then here's the indeterminate tomatoes. They're on the trellis now. I'll show you the making of that trellis in a minute. It's slightly out of order, but they're all doing well, except for this one, which I showed you last week, had been attacked by a squirrel. Has not grown out of that top, so I don't know what's going to happen. I think I'm going to have to replace that one with the backups. The green stalk, it's just doing fantastic. Look, this fennel is turning into fennel. This parsley is out of control. The watermelon we replaced last week, it's doing really well. Got some onions that are doing really well. I mean, it's just crazy. Everything's doing so well in this thing. There's the sage. There's a giant lettuce. Look at this thing. I'm gonna cut this back tomorrow. Do some harvesting. So we've already got some lettuce for our salads. Got some sweet basil, some baby bok choy, broccoli. It's just crazy how well everything's doing in here. Big lettuce, another couple big lettuces. Some cabbages. Look at these cabbages. Look at this thing. This is insane. Anyway, this thing's so big I've lost the stick in it. I think that's a bok choy. That's doing great. Great. There's some Thai basil, some lettuces, celery's doing well, some sweet basil, some onions down here. They're doing better than they look. Jane keeps eating those onions. She loves picking those onions off. That basil's not doing super well. It's happening though. The purple opal basil's doing well. Yeah, look at that thing. Just a burst of green on the porch. It's lovely. It's making me very happy. And these basils are the ones I eat every day. I've been shaping this. This basil bush is over a year old. It's still giving. This guy's a year old. He was overwintered, still giving. The mint overwintered outside. This guy's a failure. I don't know what he's just not growing. And this guy I'm eating up now. It's a Asian basil. It's in too small of a pot, so I'm just gonna eat it up and use the pot for something else. And then I'll eat these 2 up, which are the other 2 that I had all winter. But they're all doing well. This is the holy basil. It is growing. I still think I should probably thin it, but it's coming along. Maybe it's just slower. I don't know. Keep meaning to research that. Keep forgetting. But that's the garden so far. Oh, over here. Rosemary, nap cabbage, 3 baby bok choys. All doing well. And the last but not least, our table of 9 basils. All doing great. Lovely. I think these are going to get potted up too, I think. Get more dirt. We shall see. But overall, we got a nice little garden going here. Upstairs and downstairs. Alright, well there we go. Look at that. Trellis tomatoes using the hook system. So, let's zoom out. We learned about this on the internet from Epic Gardening and Next Level Gardening. Next Level Gardening, I think, sells these little hooks. You can get them elsewhere too, but I got them from that guy. And you know, the whole thing is once they vine up to there, you can unwind the thing and bring them down. You can move them over. Most people do this with T-posts and do it out in rows in the garden, but I can't do that. The squirrels are going to eat it. So I've never seen it tried on a patio. I'm just using 8-foot garden stakes here. And then this part's the same. Plumbing T connectors, electrical conduit, the next level gardening hook, string down, and some landscape stakes to back it down. The hatch is there. I used some Velcro trellis tape there, but I'm switching to tomato hooks. They'll be right here tomorrow, so they'll be here for when these are all ready to go. And that's it. You just train the single vine up the trellis, cutting off all the suckers along the way. And you're supposed to be able to get a ton of tomatoes. I don't know. We will see. It's my first time trying this. I'm dubious. But, you know, also my pots, my grow bags are pretty small for these tomatoes, so I don't know if they'll make it all the way up. I'm supposed to use bigger pots for the tomatoes, but I'm just trying to do a little mini version here on the porch to see if it'll work. So we'll check in on this in a week or two. It's pretty exciting. Oh, and cable ties. Cable tie loops right here. The tomato hooks on. And then I attached them to my garden posts with cable ties there. It didn't match up exactly with the post at the end one here. It's cable tied right on. Cable ties, very useful. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.